swaps and stuff. Rims big as monster trucks. Wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
We are back on this box Chevy build. If you look, you see that the back tires are on the ground. Why are they on the ground, you ask? Because we are finally ready to back this thing out and see what it's gonna do. Man, long time coming. Had a bad brake line. We had to take care of that. Got that taken care of. And sometimes you just run into stuff, you know what I mean? And it happens. It happens. Just more of that, what do they call it? One thing turns into two things. Two things turns into 15. 15 turns into 20. Before you know it, you got a lot of stuff still yet to do. Well, hopefully, we've narrowed it down to not doing much of anything on this particular build. Because the box Chevy 5.3 is ready to be backed out of the spot it's been in for way too long. So, what are we gonna do? I is about to back it out. There's actually one thing I'm looking for before I do it. So when the fans come on, I don't run into no. I want the fans to come on. So, like I said, I had to chase down, get the brakes done. I had a bad brake line. Still a wire that I need to hide, the alternator wire. Sometimes on those, what do they call it? These Chinese harness, the alternator wire will run your battery down. So, you have to sort that mess out. Not all the time. It's just every now and then you run into that issue. So what we're gonna do, back this thing out. First time, I got some stereo wire there. And see what she'll do, man. See what she'll do. There's a couple things I still need to address. Nothing major. Just a couple things I gotta address. And they will be addressed. I just wanted to, gotta verify that we get back out. Y'all wanna watch it? Y'all wanna see it? I wanna see it. Digital dash is wired in. I just have to put it in place, which is good. So, let's go. See what you do, man. One thing on this daggone thing here. I don't know if y'all paid any attention or not. One thing on this thing here. It's got shaved door handles. I don't like it. I don't like shaved door handles. Somebody else may like them. I don't like them. Let's see what she does, y'all. Back it out. Of course, we're going to back it out, pull it right back in. But the main thing is seeing how she's going to act. How is she going to act? Fat man trying to slide in the car. Oh. action, baby. We got action. My fans ain't come on though. I don't know what's up with that. Don't know what's up with that. My fans should have came on. There they are. There they are. We gotta let this thing cool off a minute. But we got action, baby. We got action. We got action. Pretty pumped, man. Pretty pumped. Pretty pumped. Uh-oh, let me turn these lights off and run this battery down. We got action, baby. Okay. Now, what's left for me to do? The alternator wire, I gotta hide that. Install my fan relay. I like this. Gotta install my fan relay and my dash. Play with the tune. I have to play with the tune some more. Like I said, man, y'all notice something? There is no door handles on this thing. There's no door handles on this thing, man. Sunkiss, and I think Sunkiss needs some shocks. But look at Sunkiss. Look at Sunkiss. Yeah, man. I'm trying to think if we can get a burnout out of her. I don't want to test my luck. Don't want to try my luck, but how do we know? How do we know if we do it, right? We know if we don't do it. BTR stage 2 with the 5.3, 4L60 with the converter. Got to play with the tune for a minute. I know I got plenty of fuel, but the problem is I don't know if I got enough fuel in the tank. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Are we ready? Are we ready to go out here and try to test our luck with a little burnout? I mean, I know I stomp on the gas and she moved. And she'll throw the tire a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I heard it. We're going to try it, man. We're going to try our luck. Little mini burnout with Sunkiss, the 86 LS swap 5.3 4L60 with the cam, BTR stage 2. We're gonna try this thing out, y'all. Let me try to set y'all up so we don't lose the camera. It don't fall. You know what happens over here. It ain't a video unless I drop the camera or I run out of gas. So, the perfect spot. We got the perfect spot. Guess what? Wind can't blow this one over. The wind can't blow this one over. Let's see. What kind of angle do we got? Yeah, I think that's it, y'all. That's it right there. All right, got traffic coming. Mini burnout coming.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your ID. Pull over.
Mini burnout coming. And that was the police, man. Are we supposed to be out here playing? Is that a sign? Are we supposed to be out here playing? I'm gonna be honest. I don't see the police out here ever. But looks like we did today. And he was watching. But he's still riding. So we're gonna give him a minute. Make sure that he is gone before we come out here and do our little mini burnout. I mean, Resto Mod came over and was like, dang, man, you got it all marked up over here. So I don't intentionally do it, but we got to try it and see, right? We got to try and see, so let's try it and see. He's still going. Yeah, so Sunkiss, we're going to try and get a burnout right here. Hopefully we get it. Hopefully we get it. hopefully we got that on camera. Hopefully we got that on camera. Sunkiss, we got Sunkiss doing the first little burnout. Like I said, we got to play with the tune for a minute. But it sure sounded like we had Posy out back. That I'm not 100% sure on. But it sure did. It sounded like we had a little Posy. Had a little Posy jumping out here. She turned over pretty quick. I didn't have to do a whole lot. Oh, did we? Did we got a little Posy? I can't tell. I can't tell. Nope. No Posy. No Posy. But she turned it over pretty quick. No big deal there. Uh-oh. What is all that? What in the world is all? Man. All right. What y'all think about it? Like I said, we got to play with the tune a little more. Get the tune a little better. Put some fuel in it. Put that digital dash in its place. It's wired in. Just got to put it in its place. And we will put that. We'll get a video of that in its place so we can see what it looks like. Now, the blinker stays flashing because the handle on the steering column is broke. So I can't get the blinker to go off unless I pull the steering wheel. And I'm not really wanting to do that. But we moved him, baby. Hey, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Definitely hit that subscribe. We trying to burn these numbers up. Sunkiss, the box Chevy bill. Now, are we done completely? No, we not. Like I said, we gotta do something with that alternator wire. Finish putting that dash in and play with the tune. But I feel like that's something I can do within a day or so. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It's not a whole lot that needs to be done there. But we got him moving and grooving, baby. Moving and grooving. And that's how with that China boy too now. China boy, factory ECM. Get that fan relay in. Do some of that alternator wire. And the dash. I'm gonna change the plugs. Because all this starting I've been doing without exhaust, I know I done fouled the plugs. So we got to get them out and change them. Be blessed. Stay blessed. Swaps out.